Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best water filter on the market, the ZeroWater official 5-stage water filter replacement. If you're serious about clean, pure water, this is the filter you need to know about. ZeroWater's 5-stage filtration system is designed to remove virtually all dissolved solids from your water, including heavy metals like lead, chromium, and mercury, as well as harmful substances such as PFOA and PFAS. Unlike typical water filters that only reduce chlorine and improve taste, ZeroWater goes deeper by targeting total dissolved solids, or TDS. These are the organic and inorganic materials like minerals, salts, metals, and ions that are actually dissolved in your tap water. The filtration technology used here is truly advanced. ZeroWater utilizes a 5-stage ion exchange process, which is a step above the usual 2- or 3-stage filters you might find. This system ensures that you get the purest, freshest tasting water possible. And it's not just about taste. This filter is NSF certified, meaning it meets rigorous standards for reducing contaminants to keep your family safe. Each ZeroWater replacement filter is built to last up to about 15 gallons, though the exact lifespan can vary depending on your local water quality. To make it easy to know when to change filters, ZeroWater includes a TDS meter. When the meter reads 006, it's time for a fresh filter. This simple tool helps you maintain optimal filtration without guessing. From a health perspective, the filter's IAPMO certification confirms it effectively reduces many hazardous substances. Plus, all the parts that come in contact with water are BPA-free, ensuring no unwanted chemicals leach into your drinking supply. The filters are compatible with all Culligan ZeroWater pitcher and dispenser systems, making replacements hassle-free. Another benefit of using ZeroWater is environmental. Every filter helps reduce the need for hundreds of single-use plastic bottles each year, which is a huge plus for sustainability. By choosing this filter, you're not just improving your health, you're also contributing to a reduction in plastic waste. The product comes in packs of various sizes, with the 4-pack option offering great value at about $47. This makes it easy to stock up and keep your water pure all year round without frequent reordering. Physically, each filter measures approximately 3.75 inches in diameter and 7 inches in height, weighing about 1.3 pounds. The compact size fits easily into standard water pitchers and dispensers without taking up too much space in your fridge or countertop. To sum it up, the ZeroWater 5-stage water filter replacement is an exceptional product for anyone looking to ensure their drinking water is free from contaminants, tastes great, and supports environmental responsibility. With certifications backing its performance and a proven filtration process, it stands out as one of the best choices in home water filtration. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want the purest water at home, ZeroWater's 5-stage filter is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. Stay hydrated and see you in the next video.